Alright guys, come with me as I build a hands-free motion sensor trash can for my wife. Last time I went over to my wife's sister's house, they had a motion sensor trash can and my wife wanted one. And I said, hey, I could build that. So let's build my wife a trash can. Here we got my servo, 60 kilogram per centimeter. Just getting that bad boy wired up and figuring out how I want to mount it to the trash can. I was also ops checking the motion sensor there. This is a pretty simple project. Just need three things: Raspberry Pi, motion sensor, and a little servo. Here I'm testing out the degrees, the angle I want to operate at. Testing the battery here. We're running off an 8.4 volt battery for the servo. I'm just testing to see if this is strong enough to open up the garbage can. I was trying to figure out where on the garbage can I wanted to put it. Seems like the best place is right around here because this already has a mechanism to open it up. We're just playing around with the inputs here, so I'll set it to 45 degrees. Put it about here, set it to 5 degrees, enter. There we go. It's actually falling because I'm not putting enough weight on it, so I need to hold it down with my hand right now. Let's go 5 degrees. Yep. This servo is actually so strong, I'm pushing down with my hand on it. It's actually lifting my hand up, so I think this servo is big enough. Now I just need to figure out how I want to mount it on here. Do I want it like this? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe mount it on the side right here. Placing this piece with a bendy guy here. It's going to extend out my fulcrum a little bit. Let's test that. I'm going to swap this out for this piece and just see if it's strong enough. Yeah, I'm not at this point I wasn't sure if having that piece of metal bending like that, if it would still have the same strength to push the trash can thing down. So I gotta rebuild the whole servo thing here. Not really rebuild it, but just change it up, put that guy on it. As you can see, it's strong enough. So now we're gonna drill it. We're gonna drill the trash can and mount the servo on the side. So I'm just marking lines here. Yeah, that's your big boy servo right there. 60 kilograms per centimeter. That's a big boy. Pretty expensive. I think it was like 20 or 40 bucks. But it's worth it. I mean, it's gonna move what you want it to move. Yes! I think I was very excited at this part because I figured out like the exact angles that I needed to move the servo at, to move the trash can, had it locked in. Now we're going to design a little bracket to hold the motion sensor, and I'm using Fusion 360 for that, and I'm using the Bambu Lab P1S, the PIS 3D printer. Now we're wiring up, it looks like, yeah, we're wiring up the motion sensor now. And there it is. Move your hand over, it opens the trash can. Yeah, I'm just gonna use some M4 double-sided tape to slap that bad boy on. Nothing crazy. Now we're just fucking around with the wiring. We're doing some soldering. I think at this part, I was trying, because like I said, my servo is running off an 8.4 volt battery. So I think at this point I was trying to wire a way to charge the battery by plugging it into the wall while powering the servo. That ended up not working out. So we're gonna come back maybe in episode 2 and try to figure that out. So right now it's just going off battery power and you gotta charge the thing. What do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yes.
So we're gonna keep it in the kitchen?
No.
No, why not?
Because that is ugly, honestly. It's ugly.
How's it ugly?
Full of cable. Wireless.
So if I hid the cables better?
You have to build the thing without cable.
Well honey, that's impossible.